In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a liquid text animation inside of After Effects. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. So open After Effects, create a new composition with the standard settings, click OK, and then select Text Tool, type in your text, and I'm gonna align this into the center from Align panel. Now right click here, right click, go to New, and then click on Solid, click OK, and then drag this down. Now we select Rectangle tool, so we create a mask while having this layer selected. We create a mask like that, and then we can just go to Effects and Presets, type in Turbulent Displace. We add this effect, and then we can play with its settings. So we change the amount settings, and then we change the size, and then offset. So we got this type of effect, and then we are gonna alt click on evolution and then type in time multiply 200 and then click over here somewhere so the effect gets added. So we have this type of effect, and then we can close the settings here and then press P for position, set a keyframe on it, go to 2 seconds, set another keyframe, and now we are going to go back to the beginning and then change the Y position like that. And then select both of the keyframes, press F9 to smooth, to easy ease this, and then go to graph editor. If your graph doesn't look like this, then right click and then choose this one, edit speed graph, and then do this adjustment into the curves. So we have this animation, and then we can duplicate this twice, so Ctrl D and Ctrl D again to duplicate it. And then we can go to, we want to change the colors, so we go to Layer, Solid Settings, Color, and then choose your colors. So I'll add this one, and same for the other one. We go to Layer, Solid Settings, Color, and then we add another color. So they appear now at the same time, same place, and now we want to move this by 5 frames. So I press Alt and page down, so Alt page down 5 times, and then we want to move this by 10 frames, so I press Alt Shift page down, so it moves 5 frames, 10 frames I mean. Or we can just drag it with mouse like that. And now we are going to select the 3 of them and then press Ctrl Shift C to pre-compose, and then I'm going to call this colors. And then if you don't see this track matte option, then press F4, and then we are going to change this to alpha matte. Now I'm just going to go to colors composition and then select the 2 of those, and then press S, and then we can scale it down. So press S, scale this one down as well. We go back to composition 1, and then to give it a better look, we can press R for rotation and then rotate it just a little. So our animation is done.